Good evening, folks. Good evening. Juicy J live on it. Beautiful Saturday evening. Here chilling with the birds. You know what I'm saying? This is what's going on. This beautiful Saturday evening. Juicy J live on it. Yeah. This is what's up for the babies over here. They getting much bigger. See them over there chilling. Yeah. Say hello, folks. Say hello. Hi to the camera. This is what's going on. 3 weeks and some days. Yeah. That's what's going on. Same thing here. 3 weeks and some days. You know what I mean? They get much bigger. Lots of feathers. Last one over there in the corner sitting there. This one here, 2 weeks and some days. This is what's going on. Yeah, there she go. Beautiful and getting there though. Nice. Mommy and daddy up there chilling. That's what's going on. There go mommy right there. There she go. There she go. That's mommy. You know what I mean? They're moving around. They're doing their thing. You know what I mean? There go daddy up top here. Come on down. Don't be shy. Yep. I say they're getting much bigger. 3 weeks and some days, and 2 weeks and some days. That's what's up. Easy, easy. Come on. Say hi. Hey. There you go. Be careful. That's what's going on. Juicy J live on it, baby. Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean? Over here we got the bad boys, them. Here they go, chilling, relaxing. Here they go. Say hi to the camera. Say hi. Say hi. Yep. Say hi to the camera. Juicy J live on it, baby. Beautiful Saturday evening. This is what's going on. Chilly, chilly. Come on. Come on. Say hi. There you go. We got mommy over here. Baby, we got mommy over here. Inside the box. Daddy over here. Chilling, relaxing. You know what I mean? Mommy sitting on some eggs over here. Say hi. That's my little baby right there. He's very tame. Very, very tame. And so on. Say hi. Almost time to go inside. This is what's going on. Put them outside during the evening times, let them get some fresh air. In the night time, put them back inside the house. And this is what's up. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Juicy J live on it, baby. Beautiful, beautiful Saturday evening. With thanks and praise. This is what's up. Yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless. Have a good one.